Hello, welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is William Blaze 14. We're on the test server. Battlefield call ship. This is just another moment on the test server. What's new, what's not. Right here, we have the Descend robot. It has, well, it's a prototype. It's a robot that can use a combination of jump and stealth mode, allowing him to safely engage in a close combat. After a robot is landed, stealth mode is still active for 5 seconds. Next we have Prototype Heavy. Prototype Heavy is a short-range flamethrower. This is an energy weapon. The small ADE radius, which allows this weapon to ignore all shields. Bastion mode is upgraded. It's got 50% more, so when it goes inside its tower, Bastion mode comes on and gives a 50% more damage, weapons damage boost. The Rokuka and the Lancelot are just to even out the battle. We're gonna go into Battle Rush Beacon mode. We're gonna go to the ship map. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. I'll see you guys all in another video. So I've landed here on this map. This map is very well for cover, especially, and you could go. So you got these little blocks right here. You got a little ramp. You got some crates. You got this little underway. I'll fire at all the places I'm talking about. You got this little underway. You got cover. And those little stalker signs are the Descend robots. So we got like little cannons right here. See those cannons? It's good. So we got a guy below. We have a bunch of troops. Get away! I just because my arm got blown off. These guys have a little bug. Keep on jumping. Oh, that's hard. Alright, we got the descend robot. I'm jumping so much. Can't fight anybody. Can't fight them. They can just keep on jumping. I can't do anything about it. Oh, for a second I thought that guy was a bad guy. It's like, you came into the wrong spot. It's almost impossible. Remember, I do 50% more damage. What? This is ridiculous. Yeah, so thank you guys all for tuning into the side screen. Those two people got over 1 million damage. I say they're hackers, but they're not. So everything on the test is level 8, level 1. Everybody is. Yeah, so subscribe and like button down below. See you guys all in another video. Bye.